Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our Krampikin YouTube channel. Who are watching the videos, send your names in the chat box. And today, first class is the maths. These questions are very useful to you for your exam preparation. Who are preparing at home, please follow the questions and understand the questions. If you are not able to understand that question in the video, that time you go, that time you read, again you watch the video, then it is easy to understand. Today, you classes, we have classes on GK, EVS, maths and English maths and English. I'm publishing when I'm watching this video. We know all of you, you know all of you, our coaching is especially for the Sainik RMS and Navodaya. We have the 28 years of experience. Admissions are in progress for the next academic year. We are going to start new batch for the next academic year. If anybody interested for the admissions, contact our display number. We displayed our number and confirm, and also you know already we have the Sainik exam is on April 5th, 2025. This means hardly we have the 40 days, I think. For that, if you want free model papers, send the SMS to WhatsApp to hi to 8212122642. Then you get the freebie 10 model papers. You will get the model paper. Okay, now we are going for the math topic. Okay, which of the following is not the rational number? Here they are asking which are the not following not the rational number. They gave the A, B, C, D options. For this, we need to solve the options first. Here, square root of 900 is nothing but 30. Square root of 125 we can't do because 5 root 5. And next here, square root of 3 square into 4 means it is nothing but 12. Here 3.6 into 3.6, 12.96 means here which is not a rational number is nothing but here B is the answer. What B answer, that is the correct answer. And one more thing, send your answers in the chat box with your name. If you have any doubt, ask in the chat box. Next question, read the question properly. There are 40 persons in the place. If every person shakes hands with every other person, what will be the total number of the handshake? Here, what happened? In the one place, 40 persons are there. Here, 40 persons are there in the one place. They are each other, they are shaking the hands. Means whenever we meet the somebody, this is the logically you have to think. Suppose I shake the with all 39 members because 40 are there, but one person, one person can 39 members. Here, how many persons are there? 40 persons because they can't, one person can't shake and one person. Suppose I myself, I can't shake and that is not considered as a shake hand. I can do the shake hand with only 39 members. In the party, 40 members are there, 40 into 39. Okay. But here, one more observation. One, if you are giving the one person to each other person is also counting. We are counting in the turn. That's the reason we need to take as this half. Half. Here, two ones are 20s are. Here, next is the 780. 39 twos are 780. The answer is the 780. Here, you have to think in this question logically. How many total number of shake hands? 40 into 39, that will be 1560 will come. But that is not the answer because whenever you are giving the 39 members to shake hand, in the 39, that is also giving to you. That is double time we are getting. That's what we need to do the division by 2. Answer is the 780. And next, liters, 5.4 liters into centimeter cube. This is also this is also logically we need to do. Actually, here, if you see that this is the liters, this is the centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. What is the relation of the centimeter cube and liter? 1000 centimeter cube we consider as a 1 liter. 1 liter. Next, 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cubes. 5.4 liters equals to how much? Do cross multiplication. 5.4 into 1000. 5400 centimeter cube. Answer is 5400 centimeter cube. and send your answer in the chat box with your name. And next first one, this is also. When a number n is divided by 5, the remainder is 4. When n square is divided by 5, what is the remainder? First, we need to take the one value, any value. You take one value. First, n, you have to take anything. N, I'm taking here 7. Why? Because if you divide by 5, you will get the 5 ones are 5. Here it is the 2 is the remainder. Now, n I am taking here 7, n square. Take the n square is nothing but 44 into 47 into 7, 49. Now, 49 divided by 5, 5 nines are 45. Here, what got the remainder 4? I this 4. Why we, again, I can explain, we will come another example here. Which example I am taking as a n equals to 22. 22 also 22 divided by 5 is a 20. Remainder we got the 2 only. Is it correct? Any 5 multiples you have to add 2. That is the take as a factor. Because 17 also you can take. Here next. Square. Square means 22 into 32. It is nothing but 484. 484 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45 and 34. 5 6 is 34. Means whenever here divided by 5, n is divided by 5, remainder set 2. When n square is divided by 5, the remainder is always the answer 4. Answer is the 4. Next question, fifth one. Okay, this question. 4 bells ring at the interval of 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, and 24 minutes respectively. Strung together at 12 noon. Many times the 12 noon will be the 4 bells ring together at the next 4 hours with the ringing at 7 4 p.m. being included. Here they are asking to being 4 p.m. also. First we need to, for this question, we need to take the LCM. You know already this is a regular question in the Sainik and RMS. First take the LCM. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 six are. And next again 2. 2 ones are, 3s are, 2s are. 2 ones are, 3s are, 3s are. Next here 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the LCM? 4 into 2, 8. 8 threes are 24 minutes is the LCM. 24 minutes is the LCM. But here what they ask, how many times after 12 noon? Means first is the 12 noon it is ring. Will be the bills ring together next 4 hours. Next 4 hours means how many? 4 hours means you have to convert into minutes. Why? Because here we got 24 minutes is the LCM. Means 240 minutes. Here 240 by 24. What is the value here? 10. 10 times 6 rand. But here they are asking with the ringing of the, and next with the ringing of the 4 p.m. they have to include the 4 p.m. First you have to check like that. First 12 it's already 12. Don't count the 12 now. Next is the 24. Next is the 12:48. Next is the 1. Like the it is already over and next to 4 p.m. also we have to add plus 1. That is the answer is the 11 times because we are included 4 p.m. here. That is the reason. Next question. This is the question here you have to read properly. And next. Chalo. Next is the smallest 4-digit number exactly divisible by each of 24 and 40, 56. Take the LCM here, smallest number, and then you have to find the multiple. Here, 4 6 are, 4 10s are, 4 14s are. Next here, 2 3s are, 5s are, 7s are. 2 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 35. I am taking directly 35. 5 4s are 20, 120, 4 3s are 12, 6 and 6 and 7. Here, what is the value? 840 is the value. LCM. But here, they are asking the question in the 4 digit. You have the smallest 4 digit they are asking. So, go for the multiple. 2 into 2 is the, what is the value? 1680. 1680. Why? Because there are smallest 4 digit that is exactly divisible by 24, 40, 56. 24, 40, 56, we got the HCM is the 840 minus 1680. Next, for this question you have formula. Find HCF 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 3 by 2. What is the formula of the HCF of the fractions? HCF of the fractions, what is the formula? First is HCF of the numerator by LCM of the denominators. We need to take LCM of denominators. Here, what is the HCM numerators? 2, 4, 3. It will becomes in the only one table, means the HCF is 1. LCM of the denominators 3, 5, 2. What is the LCM? 3, 5, all of the prime numbers only you can do directly multiplication. 5, 3, 5 is a 15, 15, 2 is a 30. The answer is 1 by 30. The answer is 1 by 30. Easy question only. This is next, 8th one. Here, A value they gave, they are asking square of 4A square minus 4A plus 1, 6A plus 6A. First, substitute the value 4A square minus 4A plus 1 bracket value. Okay. 4A square is nothing but 5 square minus 4 into 5 plus 1. Here, 4 into 25 minus 20 plus 1. Here, what is the value? 100 minus 20 plus 1. 101 minus 20, that is the 81. That is the 81. What is the square of 81? Here, 9 is the answer. This value 9. Next, we have the 6a. We have the 6a. 9 plus 6 into 5. Here, plus 30. So, 9 plus 30, 39 is the answer. Whenever the number and having the variable is nothing but here we have the relation into. The number continued with variable is nothing but you have to take as a into. Suppose here 4a square is nothing but 4 into a square. Variable and number they are beside means we need to take as a into. And next 9th question. 1/3. Here if you see the question you will get some confusion. Here the question is if 1/3 of a number is 6 more than the number itself, find the number. If you see the question and the options in the subtract in the minus values, then that should be sometimes you should be confused. But here, see here, 1/3 of a number x by 3 is like that number itself means plus 6 equals to number itself. X. Then x comes to here and plus goes to here. 1 by 3 minus x equals to, sorry, you have to take x by 3 minus x equals to 6. X by 3 means LCM 3. 3 minus 3x equals to 6. Minus 2x by 3 equals to 6. 2 ones are 3. Here minus x equals to 3 into 3. X equals to minus 9. Answer is minus 9. We will conclude this question with compulsory. What is the answer? Suppose minus 9 by 3 minus of minus 9. You have to get the 6. Here 1/3 of a number is 6, 4. Then number. Here number is minus 6. 1/3 of a number minus 3 plus 6. What is the minus 6? Here what is the minus 9? Mean answer is we get the minus 9 only. And next question here. 10th one. Home decor shop marked. Yesterday also we got the same type of question in the last day, before yesterday. Home decor shop marked every item 30% higher than the actual cost price. So 10% discount on the market price of the each item. The sofa set is sold for the 23,400. See here first, actually that is the mark price. Mark price is the here they increased mark price higher than 30% means 130%. 130% of the price they gave. What is the gave the discount? 10% equals to 90% of x equals to what is the value? 2,340. First what happened? That is the x. The price is x, actual cost price. Then what happened? They make it as a 30% more than 30% more than means that is nothing but 130 by 100. Higher is nothing but more. Then after all these what they gave 10% they gave discount is nothing but 90% is equals to the selling price is equals to the selling price that is the 23,400. 0000. 39 27 117 by 100 x equals to 23400 and then it is going to x equals to 23400 into 100 by 117. 117 is up, 112 is up. 100 into 1000, 20,000. Answer is that here they are asking how much profit we earn. So many will thought here the cost is they asked we got the 20,000. So many most of the students keep this 20,000. This is absolutely wrong because why here they ask how much profit in the question. They asked here how much profit in the question means that subtraction. What is the selling price? 23,400. What is the actual cost price? We got 20,000. Then what is the answer? 3,400. Answer is 3,400, not 20,000. Because they didn't ask the actual cost price. They asked the profit in the question. Next question. Next question. A loss incurred selling a article 535 is 60% of the profit made by the selling the same article 775. First question, first of all, when it is loss, the selling price is 435. When it is the profit, the selling price is 775. In the between, the cost price is this. Cost price is lower when is the loss, cost price is profit is the when is the less. Here see. But here they gave the one logic. What is the loss occurred in article of the 60% of the profit made. Here profit made, we made some profit, we don't know profit. But here loss what they gave 60% of the profit means 60% of the profit means 60 by wait file browser hmm? Wait for 1 minute, some technical issue. Downloads your internet. This question. Okay. Wait, ma. This is the question. Next here, CP. Loss equals to 60% of profit. Means 60 by 100 of profit. Total, what is the value? 0.6p. 0.6p equals to what is the value? The difference between these two. What is the difference? 775 minus 335. Here, 0, 4, 40 is the answer. Here 0.6p plus p, 1.6p equals to 240. P equals to 240 by 1.6. Here break C. 4 4 is a 6. 2 is a 300. And 2 is a 50. 150 is the profit. Here 150 is the profit. What is the loss here? 60% of T. 60 by 100 into 150. 0, 0, 0, 0. 90 is the loss. Here, what is they asking? Cost price. What is loss for? We lost for the how much? 90. 90 means 535 plus 90. What is the value? 620. Same thing we need to do. 775 minus what is the profit we got? 120. Minus 120 is minus 150 is nothing but 625. Cost is the 1625. And next question here, the cost 8 rupees, the cost price of 8 rupees, the cost price of 8 rupees is rupees 10, selling price of the 10 rupees is 8. The loss percentage they are asked. Here first we need to find cost price of 1 rupee and selling price of the 1 crore, 1 rupee. Wait ma, wait all of you. Chalo, next here, the question is here, the cost price of 8 rupees, cost price 1 rupee equals to 10 by 8. 10 by 8 is nothing but 5 by 4. Okay. It's what I am doing. Selling price equals to 10 rupees equals to 8 by 10 is nothing but 4 by 5. What is the loss we got? SP is less than CP. Means 5 by 4 minus 4 by 5. Here 20, 25 minus 16. It is nothing but here 9 by 20 is the loss. 20 is the loss. Here loss percentage they are asking. Means 9 by 20 by 5 by 4 into 100. See here 4 ones are 4 fives are. 9 by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 4 zero. 36% is the loss. The question is 36% is the loss. Here what happens? We need to find the cost price of 8 rupees gain, selling price of 10 rupees. Loss is same for the 1 rupee also, is also. Here, first I find here cost price of 1 rupee, 1 by 8, 10 rupee, 8 by 10. This is the answer 36%. Question 13th one here. Right? Amounts to 1250 in 2 years. Fine. What is the rate of percent? First, they are asking rate of percent. Rate of percent equals to 100i by T. We need to know. Here, we don't have clarity I and we don't know clarity in the P and time. We know. Here, first, they gave 1250 in 2 years. Okay. 5 years, 1000. Means between how many years? 3 years. 3 years, what is the value? 3 years interest is the 750. 3 years interest is the 750. 1 year equals to what is the value? 650. Every 1 year, 250 is the interest. But here P, what is the P here? 1260 minus here 2 years this. Means I am taking as a here 500 means the principal is the 750. Here 2000. 2000 minus 250 into every year 350, 500, 750. 3 year fees means 12,050 means 750. Here we got the principal is the 750. I am taking here time 1 year. I am taking interest for 1 year 250. Okay. 250 ones are 3. 100 by 3. 100 by 3 is nothing but 3.33.333 percentage. Answer is B. Here clearly listen all of you here certain sum of money amounts 1250 in 2 years. Here I wrote 1250 in 2 years. 5 years 2000. What is the demand in the between the years 3 years? 3 years the interest what happened 750 extra got. Means every year here we are getting the interest 250 rupees. 250 rupees. That principal here already 1250 amount they gave the amount. 500 in a year, 750. Here 2000, 5 years, 250 means 1250. This is 750. And 100 to 250 by 50 into 1. I've taken here time as a 1. You can take here interest if you take 500. You can take here 2 years also. Here time equals to 2 years. Then also you will get the same. 52 is a 3 is a 2 is a 2 is a 100 by 3. 100 by 3 is nothing but 33.33 is the next. Next 14th question. Simple interest on the sum of 3 years is stop sum. Here yesterday principal. Principal here equals to sum of I am taking as a 100 assuming. I am here assuming is the then what happened in the simple interest? Simple interest for 3 years, 2/5 of the principal means 2/5 into 100. 5 ones are 20 is up, means 40 is the simple interest. Thereafter, what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest means 100I by TT. 100 I equals to what is the value? 40. Principal equals to 100. It equals to 3 years. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 40 by 3. 40 by 3 convert into mix. 40 by 3 already 40 by 3 percentage. The rate of interest is percentage. You can do this in the X also. Here principal 55 into X is the interest. When substitute same thing 100 into 2 by 5 X by X into 3. X cancel 5 ones are 20. 40 by 3. 40 by 3. Same answer. But here I taken for the calculation easy purpose here. You can take here 50 also. Any number you can assume. Next question here. 15th one. The difference between the mean of the first 5 components number is first 5 prime numbers. Here, first mean is nothing but you have to take as an average. First 5 composite numbers, well, you have to write the first 5 composite numbers. Smallest composite number you know already 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are the 5 composite numbers. First 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers 4, 3, 5, 7, 11. Then add all of these. Here. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Plus 10, 37. 37. 17, 20, 37. 5, 5. And next here, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 17 plus 11, 58 by 5. They are asking what is the difference. Difference means you need the difference. 37 by 5, 28 by 5 is nothing but 9 by 5 means 1.8. Answer is 1.8. Next question. 16th one. The length of the diagonals of the rhombus 16 centimeters and 12 centimeters is the length of the side. This is the rhombus we know already. This is the rhombus. But here they gave the diagonals, not the side. They are asking the side here. They are asking this side or this side. Rhombus is having sides are the equal. All sides are equal. Here diagonal see, this is the 16. This total is the 16. This is the total is the 12. But here, this if you see this, if you take as a this, it will be as a right angle triangle. Here the length is what happens 16 by 2, 8. Here the length of this what happens 6. When I 6, what is the formula I put in this? 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square equals to 64 plus 36, which is square root of 100. Square root of 100 is nothing but 10 centimeters. The answer is centimeters. This is the answer. And next, send your answers in the chat box. Next. Here, 50 liters of the liquid containing 20% spirit is added to the 10 liters of water. What is the percentage of the 20% spirit is added with 50 liters of water? Here, 20%, what is the percentage of the spirit in the resulting mixture? See here, total is the, what is the value here? 20, 10 by 60 into 100. Because total mixture is what is the total 50 plus 10? 60. 0 cancel. 100 by 6 is nothing but 50 by 3. 50 by 3 is nothing but 16 2 by 3 percentage. 3%. Next question here. Two types of the rice costing 38 by kg, 42 per kg. Mixed in equal quantity. So let's find the gain percentage. Okay. See here. Actually, this is the 38 per kg. Okay. And 42 kg. Equal quantities they supply. So what is the average of this value? 38 plus 42 by what is the value here? 80 by 2. 80 by 2 equals to 40 per kg. The crop cost is the 40 per kg. What is here? 45 per kg. What is it here? 5 rupees. 5 by 40 into 100. Here 5 ones are 8 are. 4 are 50 are. Next here 25 2. 25 by 2 is nothing but 12.5%. What the product they take 38%, 38 rupees kg of the rice, 52 rupees of the corn mixed. Mixed is nothing but equal quantities mixed. Suppose if you take one kg, this means they are taking 1 kg. This means you have to find for this 80 by 2 equals to 40 per kg. What is the profit? 5 rupees. 5 by 40 into 100, you got 0.5 we got. Next here. The rectangular hospital has area 120 meters. Perimeter is a 46. The length of its diagonal. Here, area is nothing but L into B equals to 120 they gave. 2L plus B equals to 46. Here L plus B equals to what happens? 46 by 2. That is the 23. Here the question, they are not asking any length and breadth. Here they are asking the length of the diagonal. Formula square root of L square plus B square. Square root of L square plus B square. For this we have to use one formula, that is the L plus B whole square equals to L square plus B square plus 2LB. From this we can find the L square plus B. L square equals to what is the value? L plus B whole square minus 3. What is 23? 23 square minus 2 into 120. The 23 into 3 3 is a 9, 6 and 6, 4. Here 9 to 529. What is the value? 23 square 529 minus what is the value? 240. If you subtract here 9, 8 and 2. This is the square plus B square value is 289. Just we need the length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal equals to square L square plus square of 289. What is 17 meters? It's 17 meters. See here again the rectangle carpet here I taken as a here L into B 120. It's to perimeter. B equals to 46, L plus B equals 23. Here they didn't ask. If they ask L, B separately, it is very difficult to find the value. But here they ask the length of the diagonal. Don't take as a length. Don't find as a length. Length is not possible to find here. Here it's diagonal they ask. What is the diagonal formula? Square of square plus B square. Here L square plus B, you have this formula area L plus B equals to, this is not A plus B whole square equals to S square plus 2, B square plus 2S. L plus 2 equals to minus 23 square minus 289. We got the here L square plus B square equals to 289. The diagonal square by 289, that is nothing but 70 meters. And next question 20. Logical question here. This is side of cube is double. Suppose it's L is there, but it happened 2L. Okay, it happened. So what happened? It's volume. Volume is nothing but S into S into S. Here S cube. Here 2s into 2s into 2s into 2s. What happens to the 4? 4 to the 8. Cube. How many times it is changed? 12 times it is changed. What happens if double is nothing but is the 8 times change? Next, approximate value of the 275 0.0003 and next 3.0005. Directly you can take 275 because after 00 this is the fourth place. If you multiply also you will get 275 3 is a 5 and next 2 and next 8. 825 is the approximate value. 820 you will get also 825 point something 15 like that. So it will be the approximate value 825 only. Next, this is the time duration. A train leaves Delhi at 7:40 and reaches Mumbai at 11:10 a.m. What is the train time taken for the completion of the journey? Here, actually, we will calculate easy. 7:42. This day 7:40 p.m. it started. Okay. Then what is the reaching time? 11:10 a.m. Okay. In the between, you take as easy 7:40 a.m. early morning. For this is the 12 hours. Okay. This is the 7:40 12 hours. Okay. Okay. 7. 7:40 to 11:40. 7:40 to 11:40. 8:40. 9:40. 10:40. How many hours here? 3 more. 10:40 to 11:10. How much is this? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 40, 12 plus 3, 15 hours plus 30 minutes. You can calculate like that. Otherwise, you can take as a 24 hours plus. But if having the 12 hours, you use this logic only. Total is the 15 hours, 8 minutes. Let's explain lastly 19 questions. Gaurav, don't worry. It's the angles of the quadrilateral in the ratio 2 is to 5 is to 7 is to 10. Find the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but you have to think as a, this is the 360 degrees. Ratio 5 is to 5 is to 7 is to find the difference between the greatest and smallest angles of the quadrilateral. Here, what is the greatest parts? What is the smallest two? What is the difference? 8. You have to take this is the total. 5, 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7, 4, 20, 14, 14 plus 10, 24 into 360. Difference directly I am taking 8 ones are 3 is a 3 ones are 120 is a. Answer is 120. The difference of the, you can type that also. By 24 into 360, then 2 by 24 into 360. Find this, you will get the same answer, 120 only. And next here, this is a square sub. They gave already value 2916 equals to 50. They are asking 2916 plus 29.16 minus 0.2916. Whenever you are doing decimal square root, that time you have to check the decimal points. It is very important. See, here after 2 places after close. That it is possible. If it is 3 odd number, 1 decimals is there, that is not possible to do this. Here, this already the value 54 they gave. Here, after 2 decimals means in the answer you will get 1 decimal means 5.4. And 4 decimals means in the option in the answer 0.54 you will get 4 decimals we will get. Then add this 59.4 minus 0.5. 59.4 minus 0.54. Okay, 0, 3, 10, 6 and 8, 13, 8, 8. 58.86. Answer is D. And next is the 25th question here. Given picture ACE 120, BAC they gave the 55 value of A, B, D. They are asking this. They are asking this means you need to know the value of this. First, you have to know this value. If you want to know this value, you have to know. This is a straight angle. 120, 180 means it is obviously 60 because straight angle is 180. Already 120 is 60. This is 180. 180 minus what happens? 110. Means this is the 70. Why I taken 110 means 50 plus 60 is the 170 degrees. Here people is the straight angle. 180 minus 70, what is the value? 110 degrees is the answer. Answer is for this question 110. B is the answer. B is the answer. Saurav Gaurav, you asked the 19 question. I am repeating. These are the 25 questions. Practice at home. Chalo. 19th question. A rectangular carpet area is 120 meters square. Means L into B equals to 120 meters square. Perimeter they gave was L plus B equals to 46, L plus B equals to 23. They are asking diagonal. Diagonal is nothing but do a square root of L square B. We need to know this value. First, we have square plus B hat. But for that, have to use A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB formula. In this, taking here L plus B whole square equals to L square plus B square plus 2LB. In that, L square plus B square equals to what is the value? Square root of L plus B square minus 2LB. L plus B, what is the value? 23. 23 square minus 2 into 120. 23 square, what we got? 23 into 23, 9, 6 and 6, 4. Means 529. 529 minus 240, what is the value here? 0 and 2. Here we got the 89 value. Here L square is for square root of 289. The answer is a 17. Square root of 289. 17 into 17. This is a 17. These are the maths questions. These are the maths questions. In the fifth question also, here in step 4, we will get the only. Not the 5 times in this question. Fifth one. In this also, this will come the 10 times only. Okay, these are the math questions. If you are stuck in any questions, watch again the video and practice at home and practice the questions. These are all very important. Now you have the science class. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, children. Hope you are all doing well home and you are enjoying your videos, your video classes from the comfort of your home. So today's session will start. Sir, survey. Sir, అది వేరే ఫైల్ లో ఉందా? Yeah. Yeah. So let us see the first question, children. Which type of shawls are available from the fur of Kashmiri goat? So from the fur of the Kashmiri goat, which is a native breed of Himalayan region. Okay, which is a native breed of Himalayan region. Native breed of Himalayas. So the Kashmiri goat, which is woven from the shawls of the Kashmiri goat, this Kashmiri goat is called as Changtang goat. Okay, so this is Pashmina shawls, which are very famous in Kashmir. So they are soft, light weighted. So which is equal to 6 sweaters. So which is equals to the thickness is of about 6 sweaters, and it is very light in weight, and which is made from the Pashmina goats, which are the native breed of Himalayan region. Okay, so whereas Parsi, Kashmiri, Shimla are also made shawls, but this is very special as it is very light, soft type of shawls which are made from the Changtang goats, which are native breed of the Himalayan region. I think this is clear. First one, A is the right answer. Okay, even it sheds its fur in the summer months. So even that is very, very soft, which is equals to the 6 sweaters. So the right answer is 1A. Okay, going to the next question. So hoping that you are enjoying these videos from the comfort of your home, children. So please give your answers. Please give your answers. See, read the second question. Second question is being displayed on the monitor. Manish put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. So next to that, she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. I think you came to know from which topic this is from. Yeah, children, so who are following us, they know very well. She saw some drops slide down quickly, which while some were left behind. So which drops slide down her tiffin box the fastest? So here what are they asking? What did they give? So 3 different drops. Okay, so these are called the racing drops. So they are in race. These drops, they kept a race. So who will win the race? Let us see. Okay, so she kept first 2 drops of oil. Next, 2 drops of what is next? Water and 2 drops of sugar syrup. Okay, so these drops kept on a lid and she tilted the lid like this. So which drop slid down very fastly, they are saying. So what is the answer? Please text your answers. So 2B, yes, very good. So we have here Anjan, Sanatan, Saharsh, Bhumi, all these. Please question number along with your right answer, children. Okay, so the water as its density is very less. So it is very light in weight. The water drops will run very faster along the surface. So whereas oil, it has a very thick density. It is very thick, and even sugar syrup is also very thick. So who won the race, children? So who won the race? Water. Water is the right answer. Okay. Yes. Moving to the next question. So 2B is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. Yeah. So this is one more question from the body movements. Okay. So which of the following parts of our body help us in movement? So when we move our body parts, so what different organs help us to move for the movement? So bones. So it gave 4 options: bones, skin, muscles, organs. So which helps us to for the movement of the body? For example, I'm moving my hand. So what are the different organs which are involved for the body movement? Please give your answers. Question number 3 is being displayed on the monitor. Please give your answers, children. Come on, fast. So, see here, bones. So, for example, we have taken the hand. So, in the hand, it has a muscle and a bone. So bones and muscles helps in the movement of the body, not the skin or not the organs. Okay, so if any organ, any part of the body to move, the even the bones and the muscles help should be there for the body movement. So 1 and 3 are the right options. So where is 1 and 3? Option D is the right answer. Okay, so skin is not helpful for the movement. It covers the different organs of the body. Okay, and it is the largest organ of the body which protects the internal organs. Okay, so organs, you know, we have internal as well as external organs, so which helps in the movement they are asking. So bones and muscles is the right answer. Okay, on next question number 4. Approximately how often does Halley's comet return to Earth's vicinity? So, Halley's comet, what do you know about comet, children? So, what did I teach you in the previous classes? Comet is nothing but, so it is a celestial body. So, it is a huge body which is present in the space, which is present in the sky, which contains rocks, yeah, ice, and some dust particles. Okay, so this makes the comet. Okay, so we have several comets in the space. So see what are they? To the Earth's vicinity from the Earth, which we can observe with our naked eye. Okay, so Halley's comet is visible every 76 years, children. So Halley's comet from the Earth's vicinity, from the Earth's place, we can see this comet very clearly for every 76 years. So previously in in the year 1986, we have seen the Halley's comet from the Earth's surface, and most likely next we have in 2061. In the year 2061, in the mid of 2061, it it is likely to appear in 2061. So as it goes near the sun, so these rocks, ice, the dust particles, they start melting. So they start melting and they become like these all mix together and they start melting so that it is visible for us from the Earth's place. Okay, so every 76 years it is visible from the Earth's surface. Come on, start answering, children. Okay, so answer 4B, 4C is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Next, question number 5. In India, the Ursa major constellation. So, what do you know about constellation? Constellation is nothing but the group of stars. So, previously in previous classes, I told you that the sailors who are moving along the seashore. So, before the invention of the magnetic compass, they used to see the stars and they used to go according to that. So, how can we see? How can we identify the direction? Means, see the group of stars, so they when we join the dots, so stars from the Earth's surface, they look like small dots, shining dots only, no? So when we combine these dots, they give a particular shape. Okay, they give a particular shape. So that is so with that they used to identify that this is not the direction or this is south or east or west. They used to identify with that constellation. So with that pattern, so they used to join the dots and they will get one a picture of it. So by using that picture, they used to locate their direction. They used to navigate. Okay, so here Ursa major constellation is also known as Saptarishi. Saptarishi is the Ursa major constellation, which is also called as the Big Dipper. Okay, which is also called as the Big Dipper. Okay, I think it's clear. Fifth question, option B is the right answer. Next, question number 6. See the picture, children. So I'm displaying one picture on the monitor. I think it's clear for you people. So please now observe the picture and let me know what it is, what the picture represents. Okay, what do you see here? You can see one small setup which is very top on the earth's surface, isn't it? Please tell me what it represents, what it is, where it is located. Please, can you please give your answers? Come on, fast, children, fast. Give your answers. I'm waiting for you. So, did you observe the picture? Take a screenshot of the picture and observe. So, I'm moving to the question related to this picture. Okay. Now, see, I'll just kept a small theory about it. Okay, Indian Astronomical Observatory, Hanley, is situated atop the highest peak of Driparasta mountain range in Hanley. Okay, this peak has renamed as Mount Saraswati. So where is it located? It is located on the highest peaks of the Hanley. Where is this Hanley place? It is in Ladakh. It is in Ladakh. Okay, children, I think it's clear here. It has several telescopes. So, what is the telescope used for? So, you can see, I told you to to take the screenshot of that image. Did you take? Please observe, it has several telescopes. These telescopes are used to observe the like the several bodies which are present in the sky. Okay, one of them is called the Himalayan Chandra telescope. Okay, so several telescopes have been set up on this Hanley highest mountain peak. So among that, Himalayan Chandra telescope is the one among them, the biggest among them. So which has been named of the Nobel Prize winning scientist Subramanian Chandrasekhar. So the scientist, after he got the name, he got the Nobel Prize. So this telescope has given the name as Chandrayaan telescope. Okay, it is an observatory at one of the highest locations in the world. The area surrounding this observatory was notified as the Hanley Dark Sky Reserve in December 2022. Okay, this Hanley, which is located in Ladakh. So A very big telescope has been kept to observe the celestial bodies. Even the Milky Way galaxy also can be viewed from there. Okay, children. So next, let us see the question. See, which of the following locations is known for its, like how we have tiger reserves? We have tiger reserves, no children. So, for the protection of the tigers or the endangered species, we have tiger reserves. So, same like that, this is also a dark sky reserve which is used. So, there will be no pollution, which is pollution free place which is located on the hill, on the mountain peak. So, so what is the question they are asking? Which of the following locations is known for its first dark sky reserve in the country? So that is Hanle, Ladakh. Okay, so it is also known as Chandrayaan mountain peak, Chandrayaan telescope. Okay, so I think it's clear. Let us move to the next question. So what is Gopalan's theory of malnutrition? So about Gopalan, see Gopalan, see Gopalan. So he is a nutritionist. What he told in his nutritional survey. So in the survey of buoyant force is nothing but the upward force, which is upward force which keeps the wooden boat or the iron ship float on the water because of the light weight, or because of the shape it is made, the pushing force, the upward force. Okay, the theory of malnutrition. The theory of frictional force, no. So the answer is theory of malnutrition. He told that several people in India are protein deficient. So Koluthar Gopalan, in his theory, he told that so many of the people are malnutrition, having a protein deficiency. So after that, the midday meal and all, PM portion and all has been came into existence in several states, in the government organizations and in government schools. Okay. The answer is option B is the right answer. Next, question number 8 we see. What was a significant contribution made by Anna Mani? So Anna Mani, who is she? Anna Mani to the field of meteorology. So what is meteorology? Which is related to the weather conditions, the study of weather conditions and all is called meteorology. So what contributions she made to the country, they are asking. Developing new methods to study the monsoon patterns? No. So designing instruments, yeah, she designed several instruments to measure the atmospheric ozone. No. So creating weather prediction models. So she prepared several weather prediction models instead of depending on other countries. So for our weather prediction, I think you know. So knowing the weather conditions beforehand only. Yeah. So this is the right answer. Creating weather prediction models. She prepared several models to know the weather conditions in India. So her contributions towards the meteorology is she prepared several models. Who is she? Anna Mani. So note these points. Anna Mani, she is the weather women of India. Okay, she is the weather women of India. She after that she was named as the weather women of India. Okay, I think it's clear. Option C is the right answer. Next, question number 9. The famous Sambar Lake is situated in which of the following states? The famous Sambar Lake, which is the saltiest lake. Okay, the saltiest lake in India is situated in Rajasthan. Option D is the right answer. So, why many people are leaving the class? Please join the class, children. Okay, come on. Give your answers also. Come on, fast. Which star is nicknamed as a dog star? As I told you, the constellation, when we join the dots, it gives a particular shape or a pattern. So, like that, the dog star is the nickname of which pattern they are asking. So, Aries is ram. Okay, so it is got its name from the Latin word ram. Okay, Latin word. Okay, Taurus. Taurus is a bull shape. It gives a bull shape. Next to Gemini is twins. Okay. Next to Sirius. Sirius is uh, wait a minute. Pairs. Pairs. Pairs of goats or pairs of peacocks. Okay, children. So the dog star is Taurus is the dog star. Sorry, Sirius is the dog star. Okay, moving to the next question. 11th question. So dog star is Sirius, children. Okay. So we have a next. What are the small openings on the surface of the leaves called? The small openings on the leaf. So there are which are not seen with our naked eye. So stomata is not seen with our naked eye. It helps in the exchange of gases. Okay. So whereas chloroplast also is not seen, it helps in the exchange of like external factors, and it converts the light energy. It converts the light energy to chemical energy. Okay, children? It converts the light energy to chemical energy. All the water, carbon dioxide, and other gases which are taken from the leaf, it is converted into glucose. So that is done by chloroplast. Even the veins, design of the thin lines on the leaf are nothing but the veins. Petiole is nothing but the stalk. This is called the petiole. Okay, children, I think it's clear. The surface of the leaves is the small openings on the leaf is called as stomata, which helps in the exchange of gases, taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. That is done by the stomata. Next, going to the 12th question. Are you giving your answers, children? So 12th question is given on the board. See, swelling at the front of the neck. So swelling any swollen part in the front of the neck. So what type of sign it is? What type of disease it is? They are asking. So scurvy is vitamin C. So what are the symptoms of vitamin C? Like bleeding gums or any wounds becomes slow. Like healing of wounds become very slow. So that is vitamin deficiency C. So that is called scurvy. So goiter is this the neck glands. If the neck glands become swollen, that is called as the neck glands become swollen. That is called as goiter. Whereas rickets is due to vitamin D. Okay, so bones become soft. Bones become soft and tender, and very easily will get fractures. That is due to rickets. Anemia is due to deficiency of iron in the body. The hemoglobin iron is present. That is due to uh, anemia. Okay, so here the answer is swelling at the front of the neck is goiter is the right answer. Option B, 12B is the right answer. Okay, so hoping you're all following the class, children, at the comfort of your home. Moving to the 13th question we have here on the screen. Please give your answers for this question, children. So 13th question is given displayed on the board. The Apatani tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Apatani tribe of Arunachal Pradesh produces salt. So what is the name of the salt called? They are asking. So Patani is a tribe which lives in the Arunachal Pradesh region, Arunachal Pradesh state. So usually in our area, so we by the evaporation process by the sea water we produce salt. So here in a very different way they produce salt by the wild grass, which is grown in their area. So this what they do, they will crush this grass, they will burn this grass, it will be burned and it will be mixed with water. So after that, so they will filter it. Okay, so after that they will evaporate it and they will solidify it. Solidify. Okay, so this is such a lengthy process, which is what is the major ingredient in this. They use the wild grass or the wild plants which grow in their region. So first they will burn it. From that ash they'll mix some water in it and again they will filter. Okay, that they will evaporate, they will solidify. Okay, so this is called as tapio salt. Pure salt which is grown in Apatani tribe. Okay, children. So this they will add with their local wine. So with their local wine they will have, and along with rice, millets, they will have along with this pure salt. Okay, children. So I think it's clear. If the local wine which is made from their plants, like how we have the local wine, like palm wine, we people in our regions, they consume palm wines, which is taken from the palm tree. Okay. Okay, they'll ferment the liquid which has come from the stem of the palm tree. They ferment it and they will consume as the raw wine or the like organic wine. Okay, so this Apatani tribe, Arunachal Pradesh, the salt which they produce is pure salt. Okay, 13 option C is the right answer. Next, going to next question, question number 14. Which of the following is a lustrous material? What do you mean by the word lustrous? Lustrous means which is shining. Okay, so we have several substances around us. Some they have a natural shine, some they doesn't have. So all the metals like iron, gold, silver, so they have a shine. Okay, whereas wood, it does not have any shining, or stones, they doesn't have any. Non-metals, they are non-lustrous. So all the metals are lustrous, which are shining. Yes or no, children? So here wood is non-lustrous, plastic is non-lustrous, gold is lustrous. So even in the non-metals also, diamond. So diamond is a lustrous material. Okay, diamond, though it is a non-metal, it is lustrous, which is shining. Okay, so cotton is also non-lustrous only. So the right answer is option C. 14C is the right answer. Yes, many of you are giving the right answers. 14C is the right answer. Arush Reddy, Sanatan. Okay. Please, along with the right answer, please give your the student name also if you type no, so that it will be easy for me to identify who is giving the right answer. Okay, children, moving to the next question. So, question number 15 on the screen, children. See, the oral rehydration therapy, like ORS, we see ORS when a person is feeling sick or the glucose levels in their body has down. So, the person will be given ORS. So, that type of therapy or that type of treatment is recommended for patients suffering from which type of disease. So here, it's a tuberculosis is a bacterial disease which affects the lungs. So it cannot be prevented or it cannot be cured by giving ORS. Yeah. So it cannot be prevented as it is a bacterial disease. It cannot be prevented by giving ORS. So typhoid, as typhoid is a bacterial disease which comes from the contaminated food and water. Okay. So contaminated food and water. So typhoid can be prevented by giving ORS. So whereas a tetanus also a bacterial disease which cannot be prevented by giving ORS, or malaria is a mosquito-borne disease, even that also cannot be prevented by giving ORS. Just for giving instant energy, doctor may prescribe, but not so recommended. Okay. Next. So the right answer is 15B is the right answer. Please check your answers, children. Okay. Yes. Next. Question number 16 on the screen. Which of the following is not? See, every time, please be careful with these not questions and the statement questions. And for every question, underline the keyword of the question, what they are asking for. Not used as units for measurement of temperature. Okay, for measuring the temperature, maybe a surface temperature or a body temperature. So, what is not the unit of the temperature? 16. I'll see how many of you will give the right answer. 16, what is the answer? Please give your answers, children. Waiting for you. 57, 55 are watching. Yes, 16. Yes, 16. Uday Kiran gave the right answer. Pascal is not the unit for the measurement of temperature, whereas Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit are used as the units for measuring the temperature, whereas Pascal is used to measure the pressure. Okay. So, this is not the unit for measuring the temperature. So, Pascal is the right answer. Very good, Uday. Please send your answers along with the student name so that it will be easy for me to comment your answer. Okay, children. Bhumi, yes, Bhumi is the right answer. Sanatan, Nakul gave the right answers. Very good. Hitesh gave the right answer. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good, children. Next, going to the 17th question. 17th question is also being displayed on the monitor. Please, from early times, the dried powdered bark of which tree was used to make medicine for malaria? So, which herbal leaves are used for making the medicine for the malaria? Okay, so malaria, Ronald Ross, he told that a female Anopheles mosquito is the causative organism for malaria. So here, neem tree as the neem leaves for skin, any kind of skin infections or any fungal infections can be cured by neem. Cinchona is the tree which the bark of the cinchona leaves have been used as a medicine for malaria, whereas chamomile is the leaves which are used for making tea. Okay, so turmeric, which is used like an antiseptic. Okay, so any kind of skin cuts or any kind of things, turmeric is used. Okay, so the right answer is cinchona is the right answer. 17 B is the right answer. So our 17th one, ball. 17th one, yes. Manvit gave the right answer. Yes, Manvit. Darshit gave. Very good. Srushti gave. Nanda Kishore gave. Yes, very good, children. You are following me very well. And okay, okay. Saharsh gave. Very good. Yes. Option C, B is the right answer. Cinchona is the right answer. Next, going to the next question, question number 18. Next. So here the statement questions. See, which of the following practices are not to be done during an earthquake? So, when in any area, for example, in our area, if there is an earthquake, you have the earth is shaking. So, what is the immediate thing you have to do? Come on, give your answers. Question number 18 is given on the screen. Please give your answers, children. 18th question. Go to an open ground. So when you have that feeling of the earth shaking, so you have to move to an open ground. Lie down under a strong thing like a table. Yes. So lying down under the table, which will protect you from the any hard things falling on you. This is also one practice to be done during an earthquake. So try to use elevators. So no, you should not use elevators during earthquakes. Okay. So next, while driving, stop and stay in your vehicle. So when you are in driving, so you have to stop the vehicle, put the vehicle aside, stay inside the vehicle only. So these are the three practices which you have to do, and this you should not do. So what is that? You should not use the lifts. You should go down by the staircase only. Okay, you have to move away from the building. If you are in the building, you have to go to an open ground, and you have to, or else if there is no open ground near you, you have to hold the table tightly and stay under the table. Or when you are driving, you have to stop your driving and stay inside the vehicle. So not to be done during an earthquake is, yes, C is the right answer. Yes, Srivatsav gave. Okay, good. 18 C is the right answer. Good, children. Going to the next question. Question number 19. The famous tale, Blow Hot, Blow Cold, was written by whom? So we have this lesson in class 4 NCRT, Blow Hot, Blow Cold. So this tale was written by whom? So this tale was written by Dr. Zakir Hussain, who is the former president of India. Who is the former president of India? So he wrote this story, Blow Hot and Blow Cold. Zakir Hussain, not the Zakir Hussain tabla player or the music composer, whom you know, Zakir Hussain, not that Zakir Hussain. This Zakir Hussain is someone different. He is president of India. Okay, children. So 19, option B is the right answer. Very good. Who is this Marka Sirisha? Please text the answer along with the student name. Sanatan gave the right answer. 19th I am displaying on the board. 19th one, option B is the right answer. Yes. Okay. Going to the next question. Question number 20. Expand NBA. What is this NBA, children? Come on. Give your answers. Question number 20 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. Come on, Hitesh. Give your answers. Akul, Sanatan. Yojana, very good. Uday Kiran, very good. Come on, question number 20 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. Expand MBA. I'll see who will give the first answer. Question number 20. I'll read out the options. National Basketball Association, Nagpada Basketball Association, Nagpada Baseball Association, National Basketball Administration. So 20. Yes, 20B is the right answer. Who gave the right answer? Yojana, very good, Nana. Yojana gave 20B is the right answer. Ma'am, it also gave very good. Very good, very good. Bhumi gave, Yogesh gave, Sahiti 20A. No, ma. 20 is the B is the right answer. Saharsh gave. Very good, very good. So, Nagpada Basketball Association, which is in Mumbai, it is very famous basketball team. So, this is a story, a small story behind this basketball association. A girl named Sana. Okay, so who is a small girl who used to clean the utensils in the to just lead her livelihood. So she started this basketball association. Actually, she was the first girl to start this basketball association, and after that, so this has become very popular, giving training to all the, especially for the girls. So Nagpada, which is in Mumbai, so it is a very famous basketball uh, coach team, so which helped all the, especially the girls, which became the very famous basketball champions in India. Okay, so 20B is the right answer. Next, question number 21. Zoom farming is also known as. Question number 21 is given on the board. Please give the answers, children. Come on. Zoom farming is also known as. We go through options. Option A, subsistence farming, commercial farming, slash and burn farming, plantation farming. So tell me, 21, 21, 21, question number 21 is given on the screen. Please give your answers. So subsistence farming, in the name itself tells very a small land which is cultivated by a small farmer using very less tools. They does not use any big tools or big machines to cultivate his farmland. Okay. Whereas commercial, it tells that which is completely it won't depend on any labor. They use very big machines or tools to cultivate the farm. Okay, with very profitable farming. Whereas slash and burn is the right answer for the question. Zoom farming, which is in practice in the northeastern states like in Meghalaya and all. So this Zoom farming is very famous. Mizoram. Okay, so in Mizoram it is very famous. Zoom farming slash, and once the farmer, when the crop is ready for gathering, he will cut the crop, and what he'll do, he will just slash and burn the farm, so that it will be, and he will leave the farm for several years, so that the burn the what is that, the slash or the ash which is there, which will helpful for the field to make it fertile. Okay, so he will leave the farm for several years, which makes the land, by making this process, by making this practice, he it will make the land more fertile. Okay, though it was left idle. Whereas plantation farming is nothing but a very large area, farming in very large area, in which crops, single crop will be maintained. So mostly in hilly regions, so we see this plantation crops like coffee, tea, such type of farming is called plantation farming. So the right answer is slash and burn farming, which is mostly famous in northeastern states like Mizoram, Nagaland and all. Okay, 21 C is the right answer. Very good. Next, Pratik Reddy, correct, Nana? Yes. Question number 22. In which dance people sit in pairs in front of each other holding bamboo sticks on the ground. So, like this, like holding the bamboo sticks, the people will sit like this. Some people will be sitting here on either side of the sticks, and some people will be jumping on the bamboo sticks. So this is a famous local dance in which, so what is that local dance called? So Bihu, you know Bihu is a harvest festival, harvest festival of Assam. Okay. Naga is Nagaland. Chira, so Chira dance. So this type of dance is called as a Chira dance, whereas Dol Chalam is famous in Manipur. Okay. So the right answer is Chira dance is the right answer. 22 C is the right answer. Very good. Bhumi, correct, Nana. Yogesh, very good. Saro, Gaurav, very good. Very good. Very good, children. Sanatan, Sahiti, very good. Very good. 22 C is the right answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 23. C. Which of the following plant was used by Gregor Mendel? So, in his experiments. So, question number 23 is given on the screen. Please give your answers, children. Question number 23, Gregor Mendel. So, he is a famous scientist. So, what he proved in his experiments on different plants. So, on which plant especially he made several experiments. So, what he concluded by his the theory. Come on, question number 23 is given, displayed on the screen. Please give your answers. Question number 23. So money plant is a, so he lived in a small monarchy. So is a place where monks are living. So there he did several experiments around 24,000 plants on pea plant. So he concluded that, so the all the plants, whatever the color, whatever the from the seed it is getting, the same color or the same shape of the leaf or the same size of the seed will have the same, like the same genes, like how we have the genes from our parents or the grandparents, no, so like same eyes or nose or lips or color, so how we get from our parents, like the genes. So he said that, Gregor Mendel, so he said that a pea plant, he did several experiments on the pea plant and he concluded that, so all these plants will have, like how the people is having an inheritance from the forefathers or the parents. So the pea plant, the plants also the having the same, uh, will follow the same thing. Okay. So question, the answer is option B is the right answer. Question number 24. 23 B, pea plant is the right answer. Yes. Next. Question number 24. A group of students are planning a tree plantation drive in their community park. Tree plantation drive means, so planting some saplings in their area. Which of the following best represents the biotic components? The hint, the key word of the question I have circled. Please tell me the answer of the natural environment involved in this activity. So, what are the biotic components they need for planting the for planting different plants in their community park? So biotic components are nothing but the living organisms. So by all the biotic, all the living organisms are biotic. Abiotic or the non-living things. Okay. Soil and water. No. Here the biotic components they gave na. Temperature and cloud cover. No. They need some trees and plants. So these are the biotic things which they need for tree plantation in their community. Sunlight and rain, no. So the right answer is 24C is the right answer. Very good. 24C. Yes, Ashwit. Manvit, yes, Nana. Yes, Uday, correct. Yogesh, correct. Yeah. Yojana, correct. Next, I'll show you one small image. Please observe this image. Okay. So we have a relation related to this image to the next question. Please observe the image, children. So what is going on in that picture? Okay. If you know it before, please let me know. Come on, see what is happening in the image. So something moist air is being taken and it is made into water and it is filtered, and water, drinkable water is collected in a glass. So that means this is a type of a big generator. which takes the moist air or the water vapor from the atmosphere. It condenses and it converts that water droplets into drinkable or potable water. Okay, so the whole setup is known as atmospheric water generator. Okay, atmospheric water generator. So this we can see mostly in the northeastern states, even in our local Hyderabad also we see in the railway station. When you go to railway station, they say this, we have this atmospheric water generator. So from the atmosphere, like how we have air conditioners in our house, it cools the moist air. So in the same way, but this, it converts into water droplets, and that water is being purified for as drinkable water. Okay. Next, see this question. Already I told the answer. It will be easy for you to answer this question. No, children? Yeah. So what is the primary principle behind an atmospheric water generator? So what is the principle behind this? Boiling water to create steam? No. Next, condensing water vapor from the air by cooling it below its dew point? No. Filtering rainwater through a specific yes. So we are condensing the water vapor from the air by cooling it below its dew point. Yes. Option B is the right answer. Filtering, we are not filtering the rainwater. So we are just taking the water vapor from the atmosphere and we are condensing it. We are filtering it. Okay. So not filtering the rainwater, or not, we are not using any solar energy to split the water molecules. 25B is the right answer. Very good. Okay. Hope you are all enjoying. Uh, so all these questions are very important. So hope you like this today's video, children. So the next class will be continued by English map. Please stay on hold. Thank you, children.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good afternoon. How are you doing today, guys? I hope you're preparing well for the examinations and all. Staying at home is very good for you, right? So let's get to the passage, guys. What's today's passage? Elara. Elara is a name, guys. It's related to moon. Elara is something. And botanist. Botanist is someone who is a student or a scientist who is searching on plants, and most of the time they read about the plants. Ventured. It means to get into something or go on to something. Deep into the whispering words, a place shrouded in local legends and whispered to hold rare, undiscovered flora. Flora means it's like combination of plants and animals, guys. Flora, fauna, we say that. So, flora, she carried her own leather she carried her own leather satchel filled with magnifying glasses, specimen jars. Specimen jars are something which are this shape, guys, where we collect, there will be a lid on this, where they collect this variety types of plants that are rare and which are not found in the normal areas like the surroundings that we see in. So that is carried because in order to carry some specimens to experiment on them. Those are called specimen jars, and a well loved notebook. So she loved her notebook because all these things about this flora, fauna, she used to write in that book. Elana wasn't deterred. Means she was not taken back because of the stories told by the villagers over there. Understood. She was driven by an insatiable curiosity and a deep respect for the natural world. For weeks, she meticulously documented the intricate ecosystem, marveling at the vibrant colors of the fungi and the delicate structure of the wildflowers. Mostly, this is about the rare plants that we see in a mystical forest, guys. Mystical forest or a mythical forest is something where we see some mythical creatures which are not found around in the world. Do you know fairies, guys? We have also seen. I hope you have seen Harry Potter. There will be goblins, right? Goblins, you know. Hey, Harry Potter master released me, he says. He gives the socks to the goblin, goblin will be released. So then Harry Potter becomes the master. So such creatures will be there in this forest. So those are called as mythical creatures, guys. One afternoon, while exploring a hidden grotto, she stumbled upon a plant unlike any she had ever seen. Stumbled means she almost hit something and fallen. It leaves shimmered with a sorry. Its leaves shimmered with an ethereal glow and its blossoms pulsed with a soft inner light. Shimmered means mostly shining, guys. Shimmered is nothing but shining. Understood? So blossoms are nothing but flowers. Actually, it's flowers, but you'll say flower. So, pulsed with a soft inner light, she reached out to touch it. A wave of warmth enveloped her. Enveloped means covered her. A wave of warmth means she felt a feeling of warmth around her when she touched those plants. And she felt a connection to the forest like anything she had experienced before. This is completely about a forest where she was able to find so many mythical creatures like flora and she was mostly interested, even though there were villagers telling her not to go inside this whispering woods, even though she left there and she saw that. So let's get to the question number one. What is Ilara's primary motivation for exploring the whispering woods? What do you think, guys? I want the answer in the comment box. Please comment, guys. What is the answer? What is Elara's primary motivation for exploring the Whispering Woods? A desire for adventure and excitement? No. Somebody will go into the forest for adventure and excitement. Yes, but only for few times, but not all the time, right? Fear of the unknown and they need to conquer it. Will somebody conquer the forest? Only kings who are very much desperate, they will do that. But a botanist? No. Scientific curiosity and a passion for botany? Yes, this is the right answer because a scientific curiosity means she's learning something about science and plants. This is the reason she will be very curious about things and a passion for botany. A longing escape for her mundane life. Mundane means dull, guys. Her life is not dull. She is just curious about the scientific things and she have a passion towards botany. That is the reason, that is the primary motivation for the exploring the whispering woods. Let's get to the next question, guys. So the villagers' warnings about the whispering woods suggest that they dash. What is that? I want the answer, guys. Are knowledgeable about the rare plants within? Are they knowledgeable? The villagers, they superstitious. They don't believe in things that are happening or scientifically improving. Villagers are mostly superstitious. Means modern nambakalu, right? So they are not knowledgeable, guys. This is wrong answer. Trying to protect Alara from harm. What do we have harm from nature, guys? Other than some poisonous insects and reptiles, other than that, we don't have harm from the nature. This is wrong. Have a deep respect for the natural world. If they have so deep respect, why would they warn from the whispering woods? Means they believe that the woods are dangerous and inhabited by mythical creatures. Like I told you, you have observed fairies and goblins, like I said, these are the mythical creatures. So they believe that there are some fairies and goblins. So the woods are dangerous. This is the reason why the villagers are warning Alara not to go into the woods. So what is the third question, guys? The phrase its blossoms pulsed with a soft inner light suggests that It is dying or decaying means, is it getting damaged, guys? No. Other flowers, other flowers getting damaged? No. Possesses unusual and possibly magical properties? No. It's not that, guys. With a soft inner light. Soft inner light, some plants, due to some chemical reaction inside them, they produce light, which are inside the forest, not around in the world, like in the normal surroundings. In the forest, there will be some flowers. When we touch them, they are bioluminescent, means due to some chemical reaction they produce a light when we touch them. Have you ever seen touch me not plant, guys? When we touch them, we just fold because it's their character. Like some, due to some character and due to some reaction, when we touch them, they just fold. That is likewise, these plants are also bioluminescent. It's not a common and easily identifiable species. It's rare, guys. This is wrong answer. So the correct answer is C. It's bioluminescent. Excuse me. So, Alara's reaction to touching the glowing plant can be best described as fear and apprehension. No, it's not fear and apprehension, guys. Disgust and revulsion. No. Sense of wonder and connection. Yes, most probably it's a sense of wonder and connection because she have never seen such plants which produces light when touch them, which gives light, which gives light when touched. So she feels a sense of wonder, means surprise, since she is very much interested in knowing the plants and uh, since she is a botanist, she is feeling a connection. Why would somebody feel when a plants produce like disappointment and frustration? This is wrong, guys. So she's feeling a sense of wonder and connection. Let's get to the next question. What is the central theme of the passage? The dangers of exploring unknown territories, the importance of respecting local legends and folklore, the rewards of scientific curiosity and connection with nature, the conflict between science and superstition. See, let's read the first option again. The dangers of exploring unknown territories. No. Even the villagers are telling not to get inside. Lara went inside and she was exploring all those things. So this is the wrong answer. So the central theme, we should connect between the villagers and the Elara's perspective of looking into the forest or entering into the mystical whispering woods. The importance of respecting local legends and folklore. Local legends is nothing but an old story that is in existence. Old story that is in existence between the villagers. So, folklore is also something. These are some stories, guys, which are told in the villages as a stories that happened, this still exists kind of stories they will be telling. So this is not the correct answer. The rewards of scientific curiosity and connection with nature, only one is feeling the scientific connection, that is Elara. Nobody is feeling the scientific connection there except Elara. Right. So the rewards of scientific curiosity in connection with nature is also wrong. So, correct answer is the conflict between the science and superstition. The villagers are experiencing superstition and Elara is undergoing the science attributes. So, the correct answer is the conflict between science and superstition. So, we are done with the passage, guys. I would like you to answer the questions properly. Let's check how many are answering. 5 is D. Yes, Anshin. 5 is D. And let's get to the sixth question. Which word is closest in meaning to diligent? Diligent means, what do you mean by lazy, guys? Without any work, sitting simply. Careless is also the same. It's not the without any work, sitting simply, not caring about anything. Right. So, what is the synonym of? Answer me, guys. What is the synonym of diligent? Negligent is also not caring about something. Negligent is also not caring something. So the correct synonym is hardworking. Correct synonym is hardworking. Diligent means hardworking. This will be easily identified, guys. What is generous? Generous means kind. So what is kind, charitable, giving? Whatever you have, you are giving it. Out of some part, you are giving something out of it, right? So this is a giving is a synonym of generous. So antonym would be selfish, not giving anything to anybody. If you have a pen, what we will say? We should share it, right? Mama sick. Mama told you to share it, right? When you have something. Likewise, you have to share something when you have. So generous is something. When you have something, you are sharing something with someone, right? So para jumble sentences, guys. The sun began to set. The sky turned orange and pink. Birds flew back to their nests. A gentle breeze rustled through the trees. Do we have to change something here? I hope not. Because 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in order. Sometimes you will come across sentences where they give as usual order which are in correct form. So be careful while choosing the options. So the sun is set, it turned orange and pink. Birds flew back to their nest. When the sun sets, birds flew back to their nest. So a gentle breeze rustled through the trees. So when there is evening, we will have nice breeze, right? A gentle one, small breeze will get. So the options are in order of 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the correct order. Let's get to the next question. Which word is misspelled, guys? I want the answer, guys. Which word is misspelled? Hope you are seeing it and properly answering. Which word is misspelled? So definite is correct. This is correct spelling only. Weird is correct. Believe is correct. Separate is incorrect. SEPERATE. This is correct. Let's go to the next question, 10th one. Which is the best way to combine sentences? So this is a new question, guys, that we have come across from past 2 days. We were doing past 2 days. We were watching the videos, but we never came across this question: how to combine two sentences in a grammatically correct way, right? She went to the library. She borrowed several books. These are two sentences. Now we can say she went to the library and borrowed several books. She went to the library and she borrowed several books. She went to the library. She borrowed several books. So the answer is all of the above. It can be represented in all the three ways. So this is the correct way to combine both the sentences. We have discussed this question in the previous classes. I would like to get some correct answers, guys, in the chat box. Please give the correct answers. What is the answer for 11th one? 11th one is coming on the screen. Please check the answer and answer it properly, guys. Cost, an arm, and a leg. What is the answer for 11th one? What do you mean by to cost an arm and a leg? Very good, Sarah. B is the correct answer. To be very expensive. It's not inexpensive, moderately priced, or to be free. It's very expensive. To cost an arm and leg means to be very expensive. This also we came across while we were talking about the phrasal verbs in the class. 12th question. What is under the weather means? Feeling healthy, feeling energetic, feeling slightly ill, feeling happy. Please comment down, guys. What is the answer? 12th one. 12th one answer. So, under the weather means feeling slightly. Who is this, Ray? 22. 12th one I am discussing. Yojana correct. 12th B. 12th one is B. Saurav correct. Guys, please check the question which I am telling. It's not 22, it's 12th question. Please check the question and answer, guys. So, um, let's see this, guys. To break down. What do you mean by to break down? What do you mean by breakdown, guys? Is it so? We are talking about this phrasal verbs, right? So these also don't have a they have a light literal meaning and sometimes a non-literal meaning. Understood? Sometimes a non-literal meaning. So please check this and let me know to build something, to improve, to continue, or to stop functioning. What is the answer? So the answer is B, guys. Why? To break the means either to stop functioning or to lose control of one's emotion. See, how does it comes? He broke down and wept. He broke down and wept in front of others, right? Because he couldn't control his emotion. That is the reason he broke down and wept. Wept means cried in front of others. Also, it means to divide something into parts. To divide something into parts. So, to break down means to stop functioning. This is the correct answer. Which is a correct preposition, guys? This is very easy. He is good dash playing the piano. What is the answer? 14th one. 14th one is getting displayed on the screen, guys. Check and answer the question. He is good dash playing the piano. On, in, with, at. Which one is the correct answer? 14th one. Which one is the correct answer? He is good at playing piano. Means it is described to show someone's skills, right? It is used to describe, to show someone's skill level at doing something. At doing something. Yes. So it is a correct preposition. He is good at playing piano. What is a preposition? What is a conjunction? Which conjunction completes the sentence? She arrived late. Dash, the meeting has already started. What is the correct answer, guys? Which conjunction completes the sentence? She arrived late. Dash, the meeting has already started. Because will this sufficiently fit into the blank? Because the meeting has already started. After meeting the started, because of that reason she came late. No, right? She arrived late although the meeting has already started. No, this also gives the same reason, guys. Although the meeting had started, still ignoring that the meeting has already started, will she come late? No, right? This is also wrong. When the meeting has already, she arrived late when the meeting has already started. When the meeting has already started, she came late. That's how it comes. This sentence should come in the first, this comes second when this can be used. So, because she came late, even though she came late, so the meeting has already started, even though she came late. That is how you have to identify this. Which word is an adverb? Which is an adverb here? Loud, loudly. So I have already told you these both are comparative and superlative forms of loud. Comparative and superlative forms of loud. What is this and this? Loud is an adjective. Loud is an adjective. So loudly is an adverb. I already told you a hint. Most of the adverbs ends with ly. Yes? Yes. 16th B. Sanjeev, Rohit, Devansh, Sahiti. Yes, correct guys. Correct. Darshit. 16th one is B. Loudly is adverb. Most of the time, adverbs ends with the letter, both the letters ly. That is how you have to identify. Which word is an adjective? 17th. Which word is an adjective? This is, this singer is a noun because it's a common noun. Singing is present participle. Present participle. It means the continuous form of the verb. V1 ing. Yes, this is verb. The base verb. This is V1. So melodic is adjective because who they sang it how melodic, right? That is how you have to identify this. This is adjective. Melodic is adjective. What is the 18th question? Which word is a pronoun? Which word is a pronoun? This is a noun. Yes, this is a noun and this is verb. This is also a noun. Yes, this is also a noun. So this is pronoun. They is pronoun. Which word is a pronoun? They is pronoun. Tree is a noun, guys. Run is a verb because you're doing some action here. And house is also common noun, right? You can identify the types of houses, but house is a common noun, right? So which sentence is grammatically correct? The children plays in the park. The child play in the park. The children play in the park. The child plays in the park. So I told you, if singular comes, the plural word comes, s will be added. How it will be done? Answer my question. Wait, I want the answer for the 19th question, guys. Which sentence is grammatically correct? The children plays in the park. The child play in the park. The children play in the park. The child plays in the park. Which is the correct answer? Which one is correct, guys? The children plays in the park. This is plural, and this is also those. When we use plays, we use third form singular, right? This is plural, so this is wrong. The child play. This is also wrong. Singular, singular. We get the children play in the park. Yes, this might be correct. The child plays in the park. The child plays in the park. This is correct, guys. Which article completes the sentence? Which article completes the sentence? He is dash university student. The a and nautical. A and or the. I would like you to comment, guys. 20th question. Which article best suits the answer? Which article completes the sentence? He is dash university student. A and the. He is a university student. It's not university. U is a vowel, but the sounding comes as Y. So we will take A as the article. It's not an or the. He is the university student. No. He is an university student. No. He is a university student. Go to your room. What type of sentence, guys? Declarative is facts and statements. Declarative is facts and statements. Interrogative is questions. Imperative is commands, suggestions, advices. Exclamatory is extreme emotions, right? So, what is the answer, guys? Go to your room is what type of sentence? It's a command. It's an imperative sentence. Which tense is used in the sentence? She is reading a she is reading a book. Which type of tense is involved? So what is future tense? Future simple is, I want the structure, guys. Subject plus will or can plus verb V1. Right. Yes. Past simple. What is the structure we will get? Past simple is subject plus verb V2. Right. So this is the answer, guys. Subject plus is, am, are plus V1 ing. Subject is and V1 ing. This is the correct answer. Present perfect is something. Subject plus has or have. Subject plus has or have plus V3. This is how you have to identify. If you remember the structure, you will be able to identify. Here subject came, is came and V1 ing came. So this is present continuous. How? Our favorite topic, idioms and phrases, one word substitutes. A person who studies uh, the stars and planets is called a geologist, chemist, biologist, astronomer. What is a biologist? A person who studies about plants and the environment, right? Plants environment is called biologist. What is a geologist? He talks about the earth's components and its working process, right? Chemist. Chemist is a person who deals with this chemicals and this. When we see these medicines and all, he is called as a chemist. Understood? So, astronomer is a person who studies the stars and the planets. He is called as a astronomer. Understood, guys? Homophone. Very easy question. All of the above? Yes. No, new, known? No. This is known. No, new. This is new, right? It sounds as new, but not no. No is this. So the answer is no. A. Last question. Question cap. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. Like I told you, question tags. Positive comes in the question, we take negative. If negative comes in the question, we take positive. So, doesn't like coffee. Does he? It's already there. Doesn't he? This is wrong. Is he? Isn't he? Isn't he is he? These are the question tags. So, 25th question is the answer is A. So, question tag doesn't, does he? Hope you enjoyed the session, guys. And the next video will be continued by Jacob sir, GK. Thank you.
Good afternoon, children. I think you must be getting tired and most probably you must be getting bored also. Because understand, okay, but this is for your good only that we are taking these classes whereby you get practiced well before you enter the for the entrance exam. Okay, so don't feel tired, but be active. Listen carefully. Now the subject is GK. Okay, general knowledge. This is also one of the most important subject. Okay, so you don't think that in maths is carrying maximum marks. So if you score well in maths, it will do. No, every subject you have to score good marks. Then only it will upgrade your total marks. Okay, all competitive exams are tough. Remember that in keep it in mind. No competitive exam will be easy because there is a lot of What is the meaning of competitive? It is a competition among students because few seats, but so many students will be writing because everyone is enthusiastic in getting to get admission in Sainik School. Okay, so we'll see now. We'll continue today with the Hindu Literary Prize. Okay, Hindu Literary Prize. Now, literary already I told. Literary means some writings. Some writings. It can be a novel. It can be a novel, story. Okay, it can be a novel or a story. Okay, so now, description what it is telling about. It is an what is Hindu Literary Prize. Okay, it is an annual award recognizing exceptional literary works in fiction and non-fiction by Indian authors. Fiction, I already have explained to you in my every video. I have explained to you what is fiction and what is non-fiction. Okay, hope you know the meaning of fiction and non-fiction. Okay, anything that I tell if you can't remember, if your memory power is not so sharp, it's always better write it down so that whenever you want, you can refer immediately. So fiction is based on unreal facts. unreal facts, facts that are not real, that which does not exist, that which does not exist. Okay, it is totally the writer's imagination. Remember that Harry Potter, it is writer's imagination. No such thing is there. Okay, but imagine something that if such character was there in this on this planet Earth, how it will be. Okay, Phantom, Spider Man, all these are fiction books. Okay, non fiction is based on reality. When I tell you the meaning of fiction, so automatically its opposite is non fiction. So when this is unreal facts, that will become real facts. So it is an word recognizing exceptional. Exceptional means more than good. More than good. Good something is there, best something is there, it is more than that. So this award, annual award is given, they recognize, they find out. Okay. Exceptional literary works in fiction and non-fiction by Indian authors only. See this. Okay, these are given only to Indian authors. Now, who was the recent recipient? Recipient means what? Recent recipient. I'm telling last video also I was telling, but nobody bothered to ask what is the meaning of recipient. That means receiver. Recently, who received this award? Twinkle Khanna for her non-fiction book. Twinkle Khanna for her non-fiction work. She did so. It was Twinkle Khanna. What was that non-fiction work for her? What was that non-fiction work? Tell me. See, when you know Twinkle Khanna for a non-fiction work, you should always in your mind question should come. What work she did that she got this award? Here, what is mentioned? Exceptional literary. That means more than best. So she wrote a book of a based on a woman too version of the star, and she wrote the story of a woman who was the mother of two children. And also, she wrote in this book, she brought out in this book, okay, about the difference between celebrity women and normal women. She brought out the difference between celebrity women and what was her work? She brought out the difference between celebrity or star, you can call celebrity woman and ordinary woman. So she studied what she saw, the life of a woman having mother of two child. Okay, and what was her non-fiction book name? What was that name? It was named Mr. Funny Bones. Her book was titled Mr. Funny Bones. Okay, her book was titled Mr. Funny Bones. When the book was released, 2015. So it took how many years for her to get this award for the Hindu Literary Prize to recognize her work? It took 9 years. Then she got this award, Mr. Funny, with the humor in it. Okay, she very clearly mentioned about the difference between ordinary woman and a celebrity woman. Okay, it is totally based on woman. Okay, then comes Crossword Book Award. Crossword Book Award. Crossword Book Award. What does it say? What is the description? It is India's oldest and most prestigious literary award celebrating outstanding books in various categories. In various categories. It is not limited to one category, but it is limited to all the categories. Okay. This is one of India's oldest. So when a question comes, which is one India's oldest literary award, so what answer you should write? You should write Crossword Book Award. This is the answer. This is the oldest literary award in India. Okay, who got it? Children's Literature by Ruskin Bond. Who was the writer? Ruskin Bond. Okay. Children's literature. So this book was based on, see, every writer when he writes a book, it is based on something. He must have seen something, he must have examined something, or he must have experienced something. So that he brings out in a form of a book. Okay. So about what it is, it was this book was based on his experience. This book was based on his experience. Okay. And nature. How is the nature and behavior of known people, that is people whom he knew. Based on this, he wrote this book called Children's Literature. This book, if you read, you will get all this based on his experience in life. Second, how is the nature? Okay. Third, behavior of his known people, the people whom he knew, how they behaved. There will be, every human being has a different type of behavior. Okay. So how they were behaving, and he found out the difference. So whenever you are also in this society, you should observe carefully. Every man has a different type of behavior or discipline and all. You yourself in the classroom, you know who is disciplined, who is not disciplined. So if you have to observe, observation is the key thing. These writers, they observe only. From that they get the idea. Then they write the book and see they got the award. Okay. Then comes what? Bestseller award is Ankur Wariku. Okay. Lifetime Achievement Award, Amitav Ghosh. Lifetime award means what? First, lifetime in cinema also they give lifetime achievement. That means throughout their life, what they did in cinema, great actors, the government wants to encourage them or to honor them by giving some award. So, same way in writing also, Amitav Ghosh, he has written many books, but his main book was when he wrote climate change, book on climate change. He wrote a book on climate change. This book brought many applause to him because this is the most important topic. Even today, there are summits held for climate change. Okay. So he wrote this book and it was liked by many. And that's why he was given the Lifetime Achievement Award. From many of his books, this was the best book. Okay. Then comes Sahitya Sparsh Awards. Sahitya Sparsh Awards. Sahitya Sparsh Awards now. Okay. So, what is the meaning of Sparsh in this? Sparsh means, it means that which touches your heart. Okay. Sparsh means anything when you read it touches you. It touches your heart and you feel about it. So that's why the Sahitya Sparsh Award is given. What is the description for it? What is the description? Recognizes and honors exceptional literary works across various genres and languages in India. It gives various genres and languages in India. Okay. What is the meaning of genres here? Genres means a particular type of literature or style. That means, every author has a different style of bringing out his thoughts. Everyone, some bring it indirect way, some bring it directly, some are very gracious in bringing their thoughts. So, genres means particular type of literature or style of writing and languages in it. So, recognizes and honors exceptional literary works across various genres and languages in India. Okay. So, who is a recent recipient? The children's fiction fantasy, and magic. The Underworld Expedition. Who is the recent receiver in 2024? The Underworld Expedition by Swayam Das. Now, the word underworld itself will say what? That mythical creatures. This book describes about mythical creatures and beyond. What are mythical creatures? Mythical creatures are imaginary creatures. Okay, they think that such creature, if it was there. Okay, so children fiction written by Swayam Das, he brought out all this, the mythical creature. Okay, understand with the creation of below the surface world filled with unreal creatures. Mythical creatures means unreal creatures. Okay, so that was because of that he got the award. Now, my divine sky, my divine sky, poetry, human emotions, my divine sky. Okay, it was written by Tia Bansal. It was written by Tia Bansal. What does that book contain? Okay, it was a journey filled with creation of journey. It was Tia Bansal journey filled with the creation of with the creation of beautiful memories. Okay, creation of beautiful memories. So my divine sky, the sky word itself says that imagination, her creation of her journey, which was filled with beautiful memories, the past memories, all those memories she brought back and brought it in a type of in a form of a poem. Okay, then comes spirit of the constitution. This was under the category of non-fiction United States history. Okay, non-fiction, that means real fact. I told you fiction is unreal, non-fiction is real. So, United States history, the spirit of the constitution by V. Shruti Devi. Who wrote this? V. Shruti Devi. She wrote this book. And what does it contain? You tell me. Her journey to the US. She went to the US. Her this is about herself. She has written her journey to the USA. Okay, US, United States or United States of America during the in 1990. Okay, in 1990 she had been to America and she understood the law of that country. Understood the law of that country. She understood the law of that country. Okay, and she reflected and reflection on global issues. Okay, so she V. Shruti Devi, her journey to the USA in 1990, she went to US. There she studied the law of that country and also the global issues. What are global means world? Global means what? World. What all problems, issues means always a problem. What problem the world is facing, how it can be solved, and what has to be done to rectify such problems. All this studied and brought out in a book, The Spirit of the Constitution. She wrote a book which is titled it Spirit of the Constitution. Okay. So that was by V. Shruti Devi. Now Godrej Literature Live Awards. Godrej, most of you will be knowing Godrej company. Okay, Godrej is a tycoon business personality. So, Godrej literary description. It celebrates literary excellence across various categories, including fiction, non-fiction, and poetry. It is not only limited to novels, books, but also for poetry. Okay, everywhere you will see these two things are always there, fiction, non-fiction, always they will mention, because some books are based on reality, some are non-reality. Okay, some poems also are like that. Just the imagination of the poet, that if it was so, how it would have been. He thinks about that and he writes. Okay, who was the recent receiver of this award? Who was the recent receiver of this award? Bloomsbury India awarded Publisher of the Year. He was Publisher of the Year award. Why? Because he published children's book. What all he published? Children's book, academic, academics. Okay, um, professional, professional books. What is professional books? And also about India. He has published so many things. Children's book he publishes. Academic means that is for schools, colleges. Professional means for people who are seeking for job, writing competitive exam for job for them, and also about India he wrote. So that's why he got this Godrej Literature Live Award in 2024. Okay. Now Sushila Devi Award. Sushila Devi Award is presented annually for the best work of fiction by a woman writer. Now here you notice, here only what it is given, here only fiction is given. That means here non-fiction books are not under this category. Non-fiction books are not under this category. Children, hope you are understanding it. Okay. Be vigilant, be alert, keep your mind open. Okay. Keep your ears open, eyes open, and listen carefully. So this present annually, this is the only award you observe is given only for fiction. That means that which is based on unreal facts, imaginary facts. Okay, by a woman writer in India, it is given to women only. Two specialty this has. One is it is only given for fiction. Second, it is only given to women writers. That's why its name itself is based on a woman, Shushila Devi Award. Okay, so recent who got it? Manjula Padmanabhan for her novel Taxi. She wrote a novel on taxi. Okay, it is based on life of a woman. It is based on a life of a woman named Maddie Sen. Named Maddie Sen. Who? Why Maddie Sen she chose? Why taxi name has come? Because she was the first woman taxi driver in New Delhi. So she was the first woman taxi driver in New Delhi. Okay, so she must have. That's why she chose her. What was her name? Maddie Sale. That's why she chose her because she has done something that is unique, something that was not done before. She has. She was the first woman taxi driver in Delhi. Okay, she was the first woman taxi driver in Delhi, and maybe Manjula Padmanabhan would have come across her. Sometimes maybe she would have traveled in a taxi, asked her how is life going on and all, and how she's surviving, whether she or why she is not afraid driving the taxi and all this, her problem she must have understood. Okay, and then she would have brought out this her novel called by the name Taxi itself. Okay, all this about medicine, how she struggled in her life to come up, and then how she managed herself by driving a taxi. Among you, normally you see taxi drivers all are men. So how a single woman who has taken this profession of driving taxi, okay, how she manages between among those people, all this she must have asked or she must have read about her, and then she must have brought out this book for her. Okay. Now then comes Kalidas Samman. Kalidas Samman. Now Samman means what? Samman means, those who know Hindi, for them it is very easy. Samman means honor or respect. Respect or honor is called is Samman. What is it? A prestigious arts award presented annually by the government of Madhya Pradesh. It is not every state gives. It is not the government of India that gives this award. Kalidas Samman is given by only Madhya Pradesh government. Madhya Pradesh is the central state of our country. Okay. Capital of which is Bhopal. You must be knowing that. A prestigious arts award presented annually by the government of Madhya Pradesh. Who was the recent recipient? Hindustani singer Pandit Venkatesh Kumar. Okay. He was the recent recipient. He must have sang many songs, and he must this Kalidas Saman would have, he must have sang classical songs mostly, and then they have recognized him. Okay, so then comes Turner Prize. Turner Prize. What is Turner Prize? It is an annual prize presented to a British visual artist. British visual artist it is presented to. Now, visual artist means, visual means which you can see. This is not based on a book. It is not a novel. It is a like exhibition. Okay, it is an exhibition where you go and see and you like it. For them, Turner Prize is given. Okay, this is not related to any book or any poem or any novel. Okay, this is purely based on visual. Visual means what you see and appreciate. Like when you go to Agra to see Taj Mahal, you appreciate it. Yes, from your mouth, automatically it will come. Wow, wow, beautiful. Like that, when exhibitions are held at many places, in that exhibition there are many stalls. So the best one gets Turner Prize. Okay. Here who got it? Jocelyn Kaur. For what exhibition she put? Altar Altar. In Altar Altar she puts an exhibition. Okay. So what was that? What did she put? This is different topic. Okay, children, don't get confused. This is, I'll come back with to you in with this topic tomorrow. So here only is the topic altar altar. What was there in her exhibition? It was, she had put sculptors. Sculptors mean, this Ganesh idols and all they make. They are called sculptors. They are statues. Sculptors which explores, which explores identity, migration, and cultural inheritance. And cultural inheritance. Inheritance means that which is coming from your forefathers to you. So what sculpture she had? Which explores identity of a person. That means a person. Many people will forget many celebrities also. So identifying such person. She made, brought it in the form of a statue. Okay. Then migration. Then cultural inheritance. She must have put some small things, olden things. That is our forefathers' time, what was followed and all, and that is cultural inheritance. Her this altar was shown first. It was shown first. It was first shown in shown at the tramway. Where it was held first? Tramway. Okay. Tramway is where? Tramway in a place in Glasgow. Where is Glasgow? It is in, it is a city in Scotland. Okay. So first our exhibition was held here. Okay. Then it also was held in, then It was held in where? Britain. Great Britain. Now Britain, London. Okay. So these two places, first it was held, our exhibition altar was held in Tramway in Glasgow. See what this altar, this altar. What is the difference between this altar, this altar? This is altar means to change. All this altar means to change. This altar means some statue, okay, or some pillar. That is that altar. So this is the difference, okay. So what was this book? Our exhibition was based on sculptors of identity, which explores identity, migration, okay, migration and cultural inheritance. Then it was first shown at the Tramway in Glasgow, which is in Scotland. Then it was again held in Tate Britain, London. Okay, so these were the because of that, because people liked it, people applauded it, people thought that is a very good subject she has brought into, whereby she is enabling men to know, not to forget his past. Okay, not to forget the people who have struggled for you in the past. Okay, so all this she brought as in the form of a exhibition. So that's why she got this prize in 2024. Okay, then so children, Sunny School, this was our topic today. Okay, hope you all understood it and hope you all must be noting it down because every topic I'm taking it is very important. You should remember when I say such and such person got award for this book, you should also be able to ask the question what book he wrote, what that book contained. See, the content of the book is most important. Then only they will give the award. Simply for any book, they won't give award. What content, what message it is sending to the in the society, that is very important. So all this you should maintain. Okay, you should write it and keep it and remember it at all times. Okay, so children, again I'll come back to you with another video in continuation of GK. We have seen awards, we have seen great personalities. Okay, so tomorrow again we'll come with another topic. So till that time, all the best. Wish you a good luck and be happy, be cheerful. Thank you.